Today we're going to be going over some discrete math problems. And in this one, we're going to be dealing with a problem which gives us this large set Z, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, M, N. It has these elements inside of them. And it also says that A is a subset of Z such that A is A, B, C, D, E, F, and B is a subset of Z, E, F, G, H, I, J. And the question asks us here, what elements are inside of this set where we have A or B and A and B not? Notice how not is for the entire A and B. Okay, so the best course of action for this problem is to take it step by step. We notice we have A or B, but what is A or B? A or B is, it takes all of the elements inside of set A and all of the elements in set B and puts them into one large set. Well, we notice is that the sets A and B combined is set Z. So we know this is set Z. And it's asking us an and. Remember, this is the and symbol, and this is the or symbol, and this is a not symbol. The apostrophe is. Now it's asking A and B. Essentially, where do they intersect? Whenever we're talking about ands, it might be good to draw out some sort of diagram, Venn diagram. And you'll see this in the FE exam sometimes. You'll see they'll put Venn diagrams here where they're either sharing. Let's see if I can make this bigger here. Where we notice A is a subset of Z. Remember, Z is the large one. We'll make this blue. Z is the large one, and A is a subset of Z, and B is a subset of Z. And what does A have that B does not? Well, A has A, B, C, and D. What does B have that A does not? It has G, H, I, and J. And what do they share? What do they have in common? Well, they have, let's see, E and F in common. So this here is your and. What do they have in common? They have E and F in common. Well, that's good. What don't they have in common? This is and not. So what do they have in common? Well, they have E and F in common, but we don't want E and F. We want EF not. So they have everything that is not E and F. So this becomes A, B, C, D, skip E and F, G, H, I, J. This is the set that corresponds to A and B not. But now we have to find the intersection, or the quote-unquote and symbol of Z and this A, B, C, D, G, H, I, J. So what intersects? Remember, Z is the entire set that includes subsets A and B. So what this is saying is, what does it share? Well, it shares A, B, C, D, G, H, I, J. Something that might help in seeing this is, remember, Z is what? A, B, C, M, and N. I guess we should put M and N up over somewhere, like M in here, M in there, and K. So what do they share? Well, they share A, B, C, D. Let me do this in a different color here. A, B, C, D, and then they share not E and F, but G, H, I, J. So E, F, and M, N, they're not part of this. So this is your answer here. Hopefully this was helpful. creating your Venn diagrams and some of the problems on a practice test for the FE exam, you'll see problems in discrete maths where they only give you the Venn diagram, which I think is a little easier to understand. But if you don't understand it, make sure to remind yourself of what is and, what is or, what is a subset, what does the not mean. Just kind of get yourself, uh, you know, reminded of these things. But hopefully this helped. If you have any questions, make sure to comment them. If you have any questions about, anything, you can message me on Discord if y'all have it. But yeah, hopefully this helped.